Alright everyone, today's April 13th, 2026, back with another recap. I got break even today, pretty much. I knew where price wanted to go today, like I was very confident. I wasn't on the charts early enough to catch like the actual move. But anyway, let's just get right into it. So, weekly profile, obviously supporting expansion. We had that huge new day opening gap from Asia session last night here. Daily supports expansion again, right? That small wick on the bottom. Go down to the 4 hour. We have a 4 hour SMT fill with YM here. You can see that YM trades into this gap and NQ does not, right? Yeah, and here's the daily open. You can see we open lower, move higher, and then with that SMT we get a 1 hour C2 closure here. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3 expands, but this candle opened at 8, I believe, or no, this is the 9 a.m., but 8 a.m. is what I would have traded most likely. We get that reversal into expansion, confirmed by a CISD, I believe. That might be on the 15-minute time frame. Have to check that out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's on the 15-minute time frame. But right now everything's looking good for expansion, right? Yeah, okay. So you can see on the 15-minute here. Bro, I'm bugging. The fuck? I swear there was like a fucking... Okay, maybe it was the 90-minute. Was it the hourly? It wasn't with RTY, was it? No. Yeah, okay, so it was the 90-minute. So you can see right here we closed bearish. Both other assets we closed bullish, right? So we have that 90-minute PSP as well. So that's confirming like our two-stage SMT. As well as right here. So I guess it's like a triple stage kind of. You can see we sweep this. We don't C2 here, but we have an SMT because we did on this asset as well, confirmed by a 90-minute PSP as well, right? So all great bullish confluences. Yeah, so if I would have gotten on the charts earlier, around 8, after all this confirmation, I probably would have traded YM, honestly. Or no, probably NQ because of the PSP and just that we're overall expanding much better here. And I probably would have entered the trade here, honestly, because you can see we close above, we get the CISD here and this little CISD here as well. 5 minutes probably shows it better. But yeah, I would have entered there probably targeting this 5.6R. Would have been nice. Wasn't on the charts early enough though, so obviously nothing I can really do about that there. But coming into, where is open at? 9:30 open. We put in a little SMT there, but we were kind of at the top of the range of that 4 hour candle. So I didn't really want to trade that, and we had just taken out London highs on ES and NQ as well. So that kind of retraced price a little bit. You can see we retrace here. I did just view that SMT as a retracement though. Just because I was like overall bullish on the day, and we did get that SMT. But what is that? Or I'm targeting the gap fill pretty much. That's what I was looking for, which didn't end up happening. I just didn't really get like an entry within that time. Sorry, I'm like really bugging out right now, bro. It's like hard for me to explain this shit because I'm not like fully understanding of it yet. But okay, this is where I entered. So the new 4 hour candle opens. We get an SMT fill here, right? You can see that we create this 15-minute gap, and we get the SMT fill here. So I drop down to the 1 minute. I'm targeting this high up here, that prominent high, or just looking for that to get taken as well. That's probably what I want to break even or something like that. So let's get rid of that. So as soon as we put in that SMT, you can see we start to V-shape higher. We do get this CISD right here as well. We were kind of bullshitting a little bit on YM, so I didn't take YM. But I entered on this candle. So what happened was I was looking, after we CISD'd and we V-shaped and we had the SMT, I was looking to enter off of like this like gap getting tapped into. So I believe I entered like somewhere like, I don't even know, somewhere around like here, maybe something like that. And I was going to put my stop here, but luckily I didn't set my take profit or my stop loss on my order before it was already created. So like I would have ended up getting stopped out immediately right here. And you can see now that price is continuing to trade higher. But yeah, so after that though, after we reswept that just like really sketched me out, because like there was literally no reason for us to do that. And then we were just like bullshitting here as well. I just ended up closing my position around break even for like a minus $65 loss on a 100K account. So pretty much nothing. But we are trading higher now, but I really just do not care, because we just bullshitted so much. I just wasn't even willing to like risk that. And now we're coming lower again. You know, it seems that like after 10 a.m. Price just starts to like fuck around and chop almost. So yeah, that's my trade from today. My draw, my bias, everything I wanted to see happen. I was just not able to get in when it happened for like a highly probable setup, or I just, like I said, wasn't on the charts at that time. But overall, I'm pretty content with how today played out. Yeah, so this high ended up getting taken on it's called YM here, so I probably would have been break even around there. So it looks like we probably end up getting break even anyway had I held the trade. But yeah, I've been pretty locked in recently. I've been back testing and studying at least an hour every day, 10K steps a day, no eating any sweets, never missing a workout, 10 pages of my Discipline is Destiny book every day. So been feeling pretty good, feeling a lot more confident with this model and this strategy. So yeah, excuse me, that's going to conclude my recap for today. I'm very confident. I would love to end this week green P&L, or not even green P&L, but just like at least execute some high quality setups that hopefully play out. So yeah, that's going to conclude the recap from today. I hope everyone enjoyed, and I hope everyone has a good rest of the week. Let's get it.